2025 Hyundai Venue. With less than 6,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, blind spot monitor, moonroof, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.